this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your previous tabs or pages that you had opened on Opera browser using your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you are on Opera homepage here on your phone, but you had previously opened other pages and you wish to go to them, it's pretty simple. Just go down here and you should see this tab gallery button. If you tap on it, it is indicated 3, which means we have other 3 pages that I can go back to. So if I tap on this, all the 3 pages will be highlighted, and now you can go back and forth to any of them. So I'll wish to open this page. Once you have found it, just tap on it once, and this will load the page and expand it to cover the whole screen. So here you can proceed and read from any page that you had previously opened. So that's how you can go to previous tabs or pages on Opera browser. Should you want to go back to another one or the home page, just tap on it again, and if you can see home page here, tap on it. Alternatively, if you don't see the home page, for instance, maybe you are on this tab here and you want to go back to your home page, you can just tap on this home icon. This will take you to home page. However, you have to note that by doing this, you will lose the previous page that you had opened unless you go back like this. So to keep it, just go ahead and open a plus here to add a new tab, while at the same time keeping your previous tabs. So that's how you can go to new tabs or open new tabs on Opera browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.